Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the 2.3 techniques of integration. There will be three techniques of integration. So the first one is by using substitution method. The second one is by using by parts. And the third one is by using the partial fractions. So in this video, we will be focusing on how to find the first LO, the first goal, which is to find the integral by using substitution method. Let's learn from the first example here. The first one, 1a, we are going to integrate 3 times 2x plus 1, the whole thing to the power of 2 over 3 with respect to x. So how do we do substitution method? So let me begin with let u. Okay, this is your first step. Your first step is to let u with whatever inside of this bracket here. Okay, the let u will always be inside of the bracket and there will always be the power there. Okay, let's go with the first example. Now I have let u is equals to 2x plus 1. And so I will next find the derivative of the u with respect to x. And I will get 2. And then I make dx as a subject because this will be changed into du afterwards. But hang on, just have a look first. Dx will be equals to 1 over 2 du. All right, that is our dx as a subject. And then we are going to change I'm going to put the 3 outside first. And then here it goes. I want to change the 2x plus 1 into u. So here will be u to the power of 2 over 3 instead. And then what is our dx? Our dx is already be a different thing, which is 1 over 2 du. So you're going to put 1 over 2 du. Maybe I'll change this color into green. Okay, and then I put it there. So if you look very carefully, that this all things here has been changed into alphabet U instead. No more huruf X. Okay, tak ada lagi huruf X di situ. Sekarang ni semua huruf sudah bertukar menjadi huruf U. That is the purpose of substitution method. Okay, we want to change whatever huruf from the origin into a new huruf, which is the huruf U. That is called substitution method. Now, what can I do next is I bring the 1 over 2 outside. So inside we'll be left with u to the power of 1 over u to the power of 2 over 3 with du together with them. I just simplified these things, okay? And then I will get 3 over 2 in a bracket of u to the power of 2 over 3 plus 1, which is 5 over 3. And then don't forget to put plus c. 3 over 2 now can be times with 3 over 5 with u to the power of 5 over 3 plus c. And so the answer will be 9 over 10 u to the power of 5 over 3 plus c. But don't forget, you don't want your answer in terms of u. You want to change back the u. Your u should now change back into 2x plus 1. So the answer, the final answer will be 9 over 10 in a bracket of 2x plus 1 to the power of 5 over 3 plus c. That is your answer, and that is the method of substitution. Let's go to the next example for further uh, confidence. All right. Now, first of all, make sure you change the square root into. Can you guess? Change the square root into to the power of 1 over 2. That is the first step, guys. Change the square root into this one, the square root, into to the power of 1 over 2. That is your first step, guys. Always remember that. Whenever you see integration, you nampak square root, change this first. Jangan tak tukar. Kalau tak tukar benda ni, tak tahu nak buat apa. And so now we are at the substitution method punya goal lagi. We are about to change whatever inside of the bracket there with the power there, whatever the power there. We are going to change this x plus 1 into u. That is our goal right now. Okay? And then, bila saya dah let, you must write down let u is equals to x plus 1. And then I am ready to differentiate u with respect to x. And it's going to give me 1. Because differentiate x is 1. And then saya jadikan dx sebagai subject. I will get dx is equals to du. Okay? And then, kenapa saya tulis ini? Kenapa saya jadikan x pula sebagai subject? It is just because it will give me x equal to u minus 1. It is just because I am about to change this x dalam integral originally. Apa-apa yang x, saya nak tukarkan semua jadi u. That's why I gotta change this x. Jadikan x ini sebagai subject supaya saya dapat u minus 1. Supaya everything will be in terms of u. That is my goal buat substitution ini. So, here we go. We will get integration of 2 times u minus 1 plus with 3. Put a bracket again. With times with u to the power of apa tu? 1 over 2. And then my dx now has already become du. So I must put du over here. So you will see a magic there. Itulah yang dipanggil sebagai substitution. Apa-apa yang huruf x di sini, semua ditukarkan menjadi huruf u pula. That is called substitution method. But you must be very smart. Di mana yang you perlu let u. Okay? You must be smart on how to let u correctly. If you let u wrongly, you will also lose marks. Alright? So be sure that you know which one is which correct u that you need to be using. Alright? So let's continue then. Yang ini tinggal boleh simplify saja. You akan dapat 2u minus 2 plus 3. Back here, you just copy paste. And then I simplify again, I will get 2u plus 1. The answer will be 2u to the power of 3 over 2 plus u to the power of 1 over 2 du. Yeah. What I did here is just by using the rule of indices. The rule of indices that you already know it. So I expand this and I will get 2 terms instead. Okay. I will get a very clear 2 terms and then you know how to integrate it already. The answer is 2 times u to the power of, what is this? 5 over 2, am I right? Over with 5 over 2. So this orange color means that I already integrated. Okay, plus with u to the power of 3 over 2 oops, over 3 over 2. Then don't forget to put plus c. And so, simplify it, you will get 4 over 5. U to the power of 5 over 2 plus 2 over 3 to the power of u to the power of 3 plus 3 over 2 plus c. And so the answer is change back whatever u there. Okay guys? That is called substitution. You tukarkan balik your u into what? Into x plus 1, because this is your assumption. Okay? And then you change it back into x plus 1. X plus 1, x plus 1. That's it. That is how you do substitution method. So if you look closely, everything here, setiap kali buat substitution method, everything here is clearly, everything is in terms of du, du. Sampai lah integrate pun masih lagi u. So solutions there, everything solutions there in terms of u. But jawapan akhir, make sure you change back into the original function x. Okay? That is called substitution method. Let's solve the question number 2a. Integrate 3 exponent to the power of 1 over t. Everything is over with t squared, and then differentiate them all with respect to t. I repeat here, with respect to t. The question is now is everything is in terms of t. Okay? But then, how do we do substitution method for this question? Okay, you got to figure out where is the u will become. Okay, so the u is always at the power there. The power of exponent will be the u. Okay, remember this. This is the tips. Okay, but before we let u, we want to change this 1 over t to equal with t to the power of negative 1. Kenapa? Because dia lebih senang untuk di-differentiate di sini. To differentiate the du with respect to x. It's easier. That's why we change this power of the exponent 1 over t into t to the power of negative 1. Senang nak differentiate later on. That's why I change this power into t to the power of negative 1. The rest I just copy paste. The rest tak berubah pun. Okay, di sinilah permulaannya kita change this into u. That's why the first step untuk substitution memang sentiasa let u. Tetapi you kena pandai make sure you pilih u yang tepat. Okay. So now always remember the power, kalau soalan yang berbentuk eksponen, jadikanlah the power of exponent itu sebagai u dia. So that's why I let u equals to t to the power of negative 1. And then I'm ready to differentiate it with respect to t, guys. No more x, but it is t, okay? Equal it to, now kita differentiate, belum integrate, differentiate dulu. So it will become negative t to the power of negative 2. Du dt will become negative 1 over t squared. And then I say you must jadikan dt sebagai subjek. Okay, dt yang sebagai subjek. Sebab apa? Yang ini yang you nak tukar menjadi u. That's why you jadikan dt sebagai subjek. And then what do you get? dt. dt is equals to, hati-hati ya, dt will be equals to t squared negative du. That is your new dt. That is your answer as a dt subject. Okay, you remember, yeah? You want to change this dt into here. So now we are ready to change everything is in terms of u. Let's start. think I'm going to bring this down. Sebab senang, saya tak nampak. Okay, I'm ready to change. Everything is in terms of u. So integral 3 exponent u over with t squared masih sama, tak berubah pun. Tetapi jangan lupa untuk didarabkan dengan ini. Didarabkan dengan negative t squared du. Okay, kenapa? Sebab dt ini bersamaan dengan negative t squared du. So I'm going to bring these things below here. And I will see something, oh, ada t squared lah. Atas ada t squared, bawah pun ada t squared. And so I boleh cut dia. Tinggallah semuanya dalam bentuk u sahaja. See? It's a magic. Everything is turned out to be huruf u semata-mata. That is what we want. After we get everything is in terms of u, barulah kita ready untuk integrate. Okay? That is what we are going to do now. So the answer will become negative 3. Okay, integrate exponent, you already learned it from the previous video. So exponent u over with 1 plus c. Therefore, the answer is only negative 3e u plus c. But make sure you remember to change back the u into huruf x. Bukan x, tapi t. But now the t is, the u is t to the power of negative 1. So change back into t to the power of negative 1 plus c. Macam ni pun you dah boleh berhenti. This is the final answer. Ataupun you nak tukarkan dia menjadi negative 3 exponent to the power of 1 over t back also can. Pun boleh juga. Dan jangan lupa letak plus c. So both answers here are correct anyway. Whatever you there. Tapi jangan lupalah untuk letak back the huruf t because this is the origin. Okay, this is the original questions which is in terms of t. Okay, let's go to 2b. Question 2b is also exponent functions. I know exponent function, you know already how to integrate exponent function, but let's use this question as substitution method pula. Pakaikan the power of exponent. As I said, the power of exponent ataupun huruf A lah kan, A to the power of U. So this power of exponent will become the U. Okay, so let U equals to 2x minus 3. And then, macam biasa, differentiate U with respect to x, you will get 2. Jadikan dx sebagai subjek, kita akan dapat 1 over 2 du. Okay? So now, let's start. The 5 is still the same, yeah. Nothing changed. The base is still the same, the 5 exponent. The power yang kita tukar. The power here yang kita tukarkan dia menjadi huruf u. And so you change it into u. While the dx here is also new thing now. Your dx now here is become 1 over 2 du. So you put that in your new integral. So everything here is in terms of u already. Betul tak? Everything here is in terms of u. So 1 over 2 tu saya bawa dia keluar. Dalamlah tinggalnya 5 to the power of u du. So again, you have seen that everything here is in terms of u semata-mata. And now you are prepared to integrate the 5 exponent u. Okay, so the answer is 1 over 2 in bracket 5u over with ln 5 plus c. So if you forget how to integrate exponent function, you tolonglah tengok video yang sebelum ini. Okay, 2.1 and 2.2. Therefore, the answer is 1 over 2 in bracket 5 to the power of your u. Your u right now here change back into 2x minus 3, and the rest of it is just ln 5 plus C. That's it. That is your answer untuk soalan ini, 2B. Let's go to 2C. So 2C here, soalan ini adalah integration berbentuk logarithm. This logarithm ln 2x is everything to the power of cube, to the power of 3. And then everything here is divided with x. And differentiate them, integrate them with respect to x. So how do we do this? So remember, as I said, whatever inside of the bracket yang mempunyai power, kita akan letkan dia menjadi huruf U. That is called substitution method. So now the first step here is to let U as the ln 2x. And then I try to differentiate it. I will get 1 over 2x times 2, which is 1 over x. Good. And so I am now wanting to make dx as a subject. Therefore, my dx is equals to x du. Jadikan dx sebagai subject. Always remember that. Always remember this. This is a tips lah. Okay, itu cara saya. Okay, so now change everything into u. So it will become u to the power of, so this is my u, so u to the power of 3 over with x. Don't panic. I know, belum lagi semua dalam bentuk huruf u. Don't panic, but over x dahulu. Times it with dx. Our dx now has become x du. So put it there. Okay, put it here. So x du will be there. And then you will see a magic. X will be divided with x, which is going to give us 1. Therefore, kita ditinggalkan dengan u cube sahaja and integrate them with respect to u. So you have nothing to worry about. Everything has become in terms of u. So, bolehlah kita integratekan the u cube and it will become u to the power 4 over 4 plus c. And in the end, the answer is just in bracket, which is the ln 2x, the original ln 2x. Put it back into the bracket to the power of 4 over with 4. And then don't forget to put plus c. That's it. That is the method of substitution. Easy? Yes.